So we're on day 4 of the alfalfa as sprouted as microgreens. So you can see there, I put them in and they're starting to go green where they were in the light for a few hours yesterday. So when they come into light and they need watering, you can, to start with, use a fine tip watering can and just literally give them good sprinkling there. As we go through, I'll show you how to side water these. If you're using flats or big trays, then you can use something we call bottom watering. But this is what we suggest using our kits. And I'm just going to put them in the light and check them this evening, because I have got a bit of a sunny windowsill and that can dry out quite considerably. So onwards and upwards. Day 4 and the sprouting alfalfa, and you can see where I've covered them over and left them, they've grown a massive amount actually. You could probably eat them like that actually. You notice where I've put them in a colander, the ones at the bottom haven't sprouted as much, so I'm just going to mix them up. Again, you could put them into an airtight container and put them in the fridge. They're still a little bit sticky. They're sticking to my fingers, but they are good to go. You'll notice these ones are trying to sort of attach to something there, as they would their roots. So they're great to go. But again, you leave them, they will sprout some more. And that's how you eat these ones. You can add them to obviously salads, greens. I put them in my daughter's just packed lunchbox in a little container, and she takes a spoon with her. So super easy, super quick, super nutritious.